Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you've ever had to move a user from a standalone workgroup computer to a Windows Server domain, you know the nightmare, losing desktop icons, browser bookmarks, and those specific app settings that users hate to reconfigure. Usually, it's hours of manual copying and pasting. So, I'm going to show you a simple method that allows you to migrate an entire local profile settings and everything to a domain account in just a few clicks. Okay, let's get started. I have a computer running Windows 11, and the account whose profile I want to migrate to the domain account is named DoIt, as you can see on the screen. Before I begin, there's a crucial configuration step you must check. To avoid permission issues later, you must verify the membership of the account you're migrating in the local group. Open Computer Management, and in the left pane, go to System Tools and select Local Users and Groups, then open the Users folder. Here, you'll find the account named DoIt that you intend to migrate. Right-click on it, and select Properties. To verify the group membership, click on the Member of tab. In my case, the account is already a member of the administrators group. You now have two options. You can leave it as is, or if your company policy requires limited access, regular user, this is the right time to remove it from the group. I will remove it. This step is very important, because once the profile is migrated to the domain, the user will have exactly the required level of access to remain productive, without any surprises of access being denied. Okay, now we'll open the server, or Active Directory to specify the account we'll migrate to, or create a new account. I prefer creating a new user. Open Active Directory Users and Computers, select the organizational unit you want to create the account in, right-click, select New, and then User. Create the user as usual. Sorry, it seems the userman already exists. Okay, I'll change the name to Mentest. Set a strong password, and complete the setup wizard. Okay, the Mentest account is now the account we'll migrate the Do account profile to. Next, I'll return to the computer and officially join the domain. This is how the local user profile communicates with the server. Open Settings, and select System on the left, then scroll down, and click About. Then click Domain or Workgroup. This will open the System Properties window. Make sure you're on Computer Name tab, and click the Change button. Under the Member of section, select the Domain Radio button, type your domain name, and click OK. A window will appear, asking for permissions. Enter the domain administrator credentials to confirm joining. Once you see the Welcome to Domain message, click OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, do not log in using your domain account. Instead, log back into your local account. We need to remain in the local environment to run the migration tool. The application we will use for the migration is called Profwiz. I will leave a download link in the video description. Double-click the Profwiz installer file, then agree to the license terms, and click the Install button. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Once finished, make sure you select the Launch User Profile Wizard, Freeware Edition option, and then click Finish button. When the wizard opens, click Next. A list of profiles on the device will appear. Select the local account you want to migrate, DoIt, and then click Next. The application will automatically detect your domain name. Below, enter the name of the new domain user we created earlier. It's called Mentest. It's very important to check the Set as Default login box. This ensures that the Mentest domain account will be the default account on your computer from now on. And click Next button, and the application will now begin reconfiguring the profile permissions. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the number of files and settings in the local profile. In any case, wait until the process is complete. Once a message appears indicating that the migration is complete, click the Next button, and then click the Finish button. Your computer will automatically restart to complete the connection between your old data and the new domain account. After restarting, when you log in, you'll find the new account name. To clarify that it's on the new domain, click on Other User. In the bottom left corner, you'll notice that below, it now displays login to followed by your domain name. Enter the username Mentest, and the password you set on the server, and log in. Because this is technically the first time this domain user is logging in, Windows will go through its initial setup, and update your apps. Don't worry, this is normal. Wait until it's finished, and you're logged in. It might take a few minutes or less. In any case, wait until you're logged in. The migration worked perfectly. You've just moved a user to the domain without the headache of manual backups or lost settings. It's a seamless transition for the user, and a huge time saver for you as an admin. Profwiz is a free, powerful, and lightweight application that handles the complex task of resetting registry keys and file permissions. Essentially, it tricks Windows into thinking the old local user profile has always belonged to the new domain user, greatly simplifying our work as IT professionals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more IT and Windows Server guides. And if you have any questions about the migration process, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.